Hello bio partners! In previous video, we learnt about cell. So let us continue to know more in detail about it. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell.
Welcome to Bioeducation.
Cell membrane. The outer layer of cell is called cell membrane. This gives shape to the cell and selectively allows substance to pass through it in and out of the cell. Cell wall. When you compare the onion cells and cheek cells, the cells of the onion peel, the outer covering is clearer than the cheek cells. It is because there is another layer present over the cell membrane, which is known as cell wall. This gives rigidity and strength to the cell. Nucleus. In both the cells, you can find a dense round body called nucleus. In cheek cells, the nucleus is present more or less at the center of the cell, whereas in onion cells, it is not in the center. The jelly-like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane is called cytoplasm. It is heterogeneous material. It contains membrane-bound structure called cell organelles. There are millions of living organisms in nature. They have different shapes, size and varies in the number of cells they contain. To know more about this, let us observe some more cells. Diversity in cells. Amoeba, Paramecium, Chlamydomonas. All these are single-celled and are called unicellular organisms. In this, the single cell is capable of performing all life processes like obtaining food, respiration, excretion, growth and reproduction. Living organisms having more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. Basic life processes in multicellular organisms are carried out by different types of cells. Blood cells. All these cells are not in similar shape and size. The shape and size of cells varies considerably, but all these cells are ultimately determined by the specific function of the cell. So, how do you define the shape of amoeba? You may say that shape appears irregular. In fact, amoeba has no definite shape. It keeps on changing its shape by producing out of its body. These are called pseudopodia. The projections appears and disappears. Pseudopodia helps amoeba in feeding and locomotion. The size of the cells in living organisms may be as small as millionth of the meter or may be larger as few centimeters. Majority of the cells are too small to be seen with naked eye. They can be seen only under microscope. The smallest cell is 0.1 to 0.5 micrometers is found in bacteria. A human liver and kidney cell is 20 to 30 micrometers in size. The size of the cell is related to its function. For example, nerve cells in both man and elephant are long and branched. They perform the same function of transferring messages in both of them. The size of the organisms depends on the number of cells and not on the size of the cell. Cells are different shape, size and number. So this is how cell plays a key role in living organisms. You shall also study why cells are considered to be the basic structure and function unit of living organisms. If you like this video, don't forget